I'm going to talk about how to do a demonstration speech. So the purpose of a demonstration speech is to inform or to illustrate something. So the quick steps are to hook your audience, give your audience a reason to listen to you. The second step is to explain what you'll show. The third step is to actually do the demonstration. And the fourth step is a quick conclusion. So I will do an example. All right, so my hook might be something like, do you know what could make a huge difference to your athletic performance? My audience would say, oh, interesting. I wonder what that is. I have no idea. And then I would explain what I'm going to show, and then I'll say, I'm going to show you how to hit a forehand correctly in tennis. Good technique compared to bad technique can make a huge difference in your tennis game. Then I'm going to do the demonstration. So I would talk about like my feet, I would talk about my hands, I would talk about follow through, I would talk about how to hold the racket correctly, and of course I would have my tennis racket there with me. So I would demonstrate all the steps that it takes to hit a tennis ball correctly using the forehand. Then I would do the conclusion. So I would say, in conclusion, I hope you've learned the correct steps for hitting a forehand in tennis. And if you would ever like to play with me, just let me know. All right, so those are the steps to do a demonstration speech. So hooking audience, explain what you'll show, do the actual demonstration, and then a quick conclusion. All right, if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.